from a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dry air ruining your sleep and skin? I just found the solution. The floor-standing ultrasonic humidifier by Rimka is a game changer. This product is a must-have for anyone who wants to breathe easy and wake up feeling refreshed. With its new intelligent humidification technology, it produces a safe and clean fog that fills the entire room. The ultrasonic waves generate a powerful spray of heavy fog that moisturizes the whole house without wetting the floor. It's like a cool mist on a hot summer day. The water quality is filtered and purified layer by layer, removing dirt, hair, and rust, leaving you with clean and fresh air. But what really sets it apart is the noise reduction technology. It's so quiet you can barely hear it, allowing you to sleep peacefully throughout the night. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's a powerful and efficient humidifier that gets the job done. With 3 levels of fog volume adjustment, you can control the humidity in your home with ease. It's like having your own personal climate control. Whether you're looking to relieve dry skin or just want to breathe easy, this humidifier is the perfect solution. It's easy to set up, and the LED lights make it look sleek and modern. It's a great addition to any room. So why settle for dry air when you can have a comfortable and healthy home? Try the floor-standing ultrasonic humidifier by Rimka and start waking up feeling refreshed and renewed. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.